Good morning, students. Today now I am going to see about 8th standard science subject. Okay, chapter 1 measurement. Now we are going to see about amount of substance. Amount of substance is also one of the physical quantities. Okay, we can see a number of coins. We can count the number of coins in this picture. Yes, we count it, but we can count the number of copper atoms in this coin. It is very difficult to count the number of atoms because the atoms are not visible. There is an indirect method to count the number of atoms or molecules in a substance in multiples of mole. By using this method, we count the number of moles. Next, we are going to see about define amount of substance. Amount of substance is a measure of the number of entities present in a substance. The entity may be an atom, molecule, ion, electron or proton, etc. Again, read one more time. Amount of substance is a measure of the number of entities. Entities means whether it is atom, mole or ion. Naturally, we call it as a entities. Okay. Substance, the entity may be an atom, molecule, ion, electron or proton, etc. Generally, the amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms or molecules. The SI unit of amount of substance is mole and it is denoted as MOL, mole. I give an example for amount of substance. In carbon dioxide, how much amount of carbon and oxygen present in the molecule? That we call it as a amount of substance. Next, let us see 1 mole. Mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles or entities. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 is given at a one scientist Avogadro. This value is very important. Define 1 mole. Mole is defined as a amount of substance. How much amount of present? Okay, this one is a one mole. More to know. The number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 is also known as Avogadro number. Next, shall we move on to luminous intensity. Luminous means light, intensity means distance. Can you able to see the sun in 12 noon? No, we can't. But early morning or in the evening, you can see the sun. That we call it as a luminous intensity. The intensity of light as perceived by the human eye by using an instrument called photometer. Definition for luminous intensity. The measure of the power of the emitter light by a light source. Light source, that is, for example, any kind of torchlight, candle, tube light, whether it is sun. This is a light source. Okay. The measure of the power of the emitter light by a light source in a particular direction or direction per unit solid angle is called as a luminous intensity. The SI unit of luminous intensity is candela and it is denoted as CD. This one is a photometer. We can use it cinema industry and cricket. This instrument which is used to measure the luminous intensity in photometer. The light emitted from a common wax candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. What is meant by 1 candela? The light emitted from a wax candle is equal to 1 candela. Luminous intensity is measured by a photometer. How can we measure the luminous intensity by instrument? We can use it photometer. Next, let us see plane angle. It is the angle between the interaction of two straight lines or interaction of two planes. The SI unit of plane angle is radian and it is denoted as rad, R-A-D, rad. Okay. This one is an example for plane angle. plane angle, the interaction of two straight lines or interaction of two planes. This one is a circle, middle point is a radius. Radian is the angle suspended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. This length is the radius of the circle. By radians equal to 180 degree. 1 radians equal to 180 degree divided by. Next, let us see solid angle. It is the angle formed by three or more planes intersecting at a common point. It can be also defined as angle formed as a vertex of the cone. The SI unit of solid angle is stelladian and it is denoted as SR. Definition: stelladian is the solid angle at the center of a sphere suspended by a portion whose surface area is equal to the square of its radius of the sphere. This is a solid angle examples. Stelladian is a solid angle at the center of a sphere suspended by a portion whose surface area is equal to the square of the radius of the sphere. Do you know, until 1995, plane angle and solid angle were classified under supplementary quantities. Plane angle solid angle supplementary quantities la irundhathu. Adhe year la in 1995 la they were shifted to derived quantities. Okay, difference between plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle between the interaction of two lines or planes. Solid angle between the interaction of three or more planes at the common point. It is two-dimensional, it is three-dimensional. Unit is radian, unit is stelladian. In this topic is over. Next topic I will send you later. Thank you.